And from a sort of BIM management point of view, under project, under manage, you get these extra tools down here. So there's warning handler, project cleanup, CAD tracker is great. We had a project recently where somebody had imported a CAD drawing, it got hidden, that view got duplicated, so the import got duplicated and it kind of spiraled through. That allowed us to find it. So I imported some in here deliberately earlier, so it shows you if it's an import or a link. It actually shows you what view it's in, but you can also just hit delete and get rid of it if you know that it's a rogue import, which happens sometimes. So yeah, CAD tracker is great for BIM management point of view, from helping clean up a model. The same with the base point explorer. So I've actually got two models in here, two links in here that I've just unloaded. Again, the other sample projects. Sometimes you want to check that you're aligned with all your consultants, that everybody's coordinates or base points are the same. Base Point Explorer will let you compare your current project off of a linked model. So you can see there instantly that the two models aren't aligned, that they're not sharing the same coordinates, that they're not sharing the same point, and it looks for the internal kind of origin there. There's my other one. It's different again, so you can see like nothing's aligned there. So that's a quick way of checking your base points. Again, it's just a handy little tool that's built in there. I can also clean up all my filters. I know me anyway, filters can build up in a project and sometimes you're not using them all, sometimes they're not in view templates. It's very hard then to clean up filters because you don't know if they're being used or not. The view filter manager will actually tell you if those filters are actually included in a view template, if they're included in a view. So you can kind of go through here, and anything that's on a 0, if you were doing a cleanup of a model, you could just get rid of them. So again, that's another like kind of handy kind of BIM management tool.
The other one as well is the edit parameters. That you can globally edit parameters of any object.
Yeah, edit parameters is great. I showed it briefly there when I went to rename my views because I didn't want to do that manually. But yeah, you can select a category or you can select a schedule, so it actually will read your Revit schedules. So if I wanted to clean up my, let's say, my master sheet list, again, it works a little similar to the edit sheet parameters, but you literally pick anything you've scheduled, you can pick. Again, a good way of sanity checking, have I filled in everything? Do I need to change something? Again, the little green plus symbol in here is great because it lets you just fill copy or fill increment in one go, rather than like Revit schedules where you kind of have to copy and paste down through each cell, and there's always that little lag and it always takes you kind of longer than you would like it to take you. And you can update your values then, and it'll give you a message then. Yeah, again, if I went into ceilings, there's all my ceilings. So if I needed to put in a batch description here, I could do that and push that back into those model elements. And then that would update my schedule for me as well. So it just runs a little bit quicker than the actual Revit schedules tool.